Hi, my name is Craig, and I am grateful to have found Russ with Universal Home Renovations. He and his team have been fantastic. They just did a complete remodel of my bathroom in my home. This is our master bathroom, a complete gut and remodel. They did everything from the demo to the plumbing, the electrical, the framing, the tile, the cabinetry, the bathroom, the tub, the shower. My wife and I had a dream of having a steam shower with an actual lounger in it, and Russ was able to make that happen. One of my favorite things about these guys is their attention to detail. One example in particular, which I thought was kind of funny, they were doing the drywall and we thought it looked great, but they saw a spot that they just didn't like. So they completely redid it at their own expense, fixed it, made it look perfect to their standards, not just to our standards. So I would highly recommend them and their team. We look forward to using them again in the future.